The new era, celebrating the first AI to beat humans at everything. Imagine waking up one day to find that your job, your hobby, even the art you admire has been mastered. Not by another human, but by an AI. From penning poetry that stirs the soul, to crafting melodies that linger long after they're played, this isn't a glimpse into the distant future. It's the reality we're stepping into right now. At the forefront of this revolutionary wave is an AI that's not just mimicking human capabilities, it's outperforming us in virtually everything. Yes, you heard that right. Everything. Hey, digital explorers, and welcome back to Virtual Reality James, your go-to spot for diving deep into the digital age's most mind-blowing developments. If you're fascinated by how technology reshapes our world, then you're in the right place. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into the new era, celebrating the first AI to beat humans at everything. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel how this groundbreaking AI is not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules entirely. From transforming the vast landscapes of industries to stirring up the creative cauldrons of art and literature, this AI is the maestro behind a symphony of change. So, if you're ready to witness a world where the lines between human genius and artificial intelligence blur, stay tuned. This episode is going to be nothing short of a digital renaissance. The rise of AI supremacy. In the digital epoch we inhabit, the tale of AI's ascent is not just a narrative of technological evolution, but a saga that intertwines with our very fabric of existence. The whispers of yesteryears, where luminaries of the tech world prognosticated the seismic shifts AI would usher into the job landscape, have now crescendoed into a reality that's as palpable as it is pervasive. This transformation is not confined to the tech-savvy enclaves, but spans the vast expanse of industries, marking the dawn of AI supremacy. Historical context. Rewind a decade or so, and you'd find the discourse around AI peppered with a mix of skepticism and awe. The idea that machines could one day outperform humans in their own bastions of creativity and logic seemed a distant, if not fantastical, possibility. Yet, here we stand, at a juncture where the once dubbed futuristic predictions have transmuted into the present-day reality, with AI's tendrils extending into every conceivable domain. OpenAI's breakthrough. Enter OpenAI, a vanguard in the realm of artificial intelligence, whose unveiling of groundbreaking algorithms in natural language processing and visual detection has set the digital world abuzz. Picture this: an AI that doesn't just understand and respond to human language, but does so with a finesse that can conjure poetry, art. These aren't mere party tricks, but a testament to the strides AI has made in emulating, and often surpassing, the nuanced capabilities of the human mind. Immediate impact. The early adopters, those maverick developers and coders, didn't just dip their toes into the possibilities offered by OpenAI's innovations. They dove headfirst. From crafting intricate code to churning out articles with a journalistic flair, this AI demonstrated a versatility that was hitherto the exclusive domain of human intellect. Text generation AI's dominance. The dominion of text generation AI, particularly epitomized by GPT-3, is a marvel that mirrors the exponential trajectory of AI's evolution. It's a realm where the written word, once believed to be the unassailable stronghold of human creativity, has been gracefully conquered by the algorithms of OpenAI. WordPress statistic shock. Consider the colossal universe of WordPress, a behemoth in the content management system landscape where millions of posts are birthed every month. The sheer volume of words generated on this platform is staggering, yet GPT-3, with its algorithmic prowess, churns out content at a pace that not just parallels, but in many instances, eclipses human output. This isn't just about quantity. It's about the dawn of an era where AI can replicate the depth and diversity of human expression in the written form. Developer accessibility. One of the most remarkable facets of GPT-3's ascendancy is the democratization of machine learning it heralds. No longer is the realm of AI development shrouded in mystery, accessible only to those with deep technical know-how. GPT-3 has flung open the gates, allowing developers with diverse backgrounds and skill levels to engage with machine learning in ways that were previously inconceivable. This accessibility is not just a boon for innovation, it's a catalyst for a more inclusive digital future. OpenAI's exclusive strategy. In the grand tapestry of AI's evolution, OpenAI's strategic maneuvers, particularly its partnership with Microsoft, and its approach to licensing GPT-3 are threads that weave a complex narrative of accessibility, ethics, and innovation. Microsoft partnership. The alliance between OpenAI and Microsoft is more than a mere business deal. It's a confluence of visions that aims to steer the future of AI towards a horizon that's expansive, yet responsible. By entrusting Microsoft with the exclusive licensing of GPT-3, OpenAI has not just secured a formidable ally, but has also ensured that the stewardship of this powerful technology is guided by a shared ethos of ethical AI development and deployment, ethical and bias concerns. The specter of misinformation and bias is an Achilles heel in the stride of AI towards a utopian future. OpenAI, cognizant of the potent risks that accompany the power of GPT-3, has instituted a rigorous framework of developer verification and ethical guidelines. This isn't just about mitigating the risks. It's a proactive stance to mold an AI future that's not just powerful, but also principled. The endeavor to infuse AI with a semblance of ethical consciousness is a tightrope walk, but it's a journey that's as crucial as the technological advancements themselves. All right, digital trailblazers, quick pit stop on our journey through the AI wonderland. Here's a brain tickler for you. If an AI writes a symphony in a forest and there's no one around to hear it, does it still top the charts? Drop your whimsical or wise takes in the comments below and let's see who can outwit our AI maestro. The visual revolution with Clip. In an era where the line between pixels and reality increasingly blurs, the advent of Clip by OpenAI marks a seminal moment in the visual AI odyssey. This isn't just any run-of-the-mill neural network. Clip has a knack for deciphering visual concepts through the lens of natural language, making it a veritable Rosetta Stone of the digital age. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just see but understands images with the nuance and context of human perception. That's the groundbreaking reality Clip is ushering in. Clip introduction. Clip is like that friend who can walk into an art gallery and not just appreciate the art, but also eloquently describe each piece's essence and context. By understanding visual concepts in natural language, Clip transcends traditional image recognition, allowing for a more intuitive and rich interaction between AI and the visual world. It's a leap towards a future where AI can navigate our visual culture with the same ease as browsing a picture book. Commercialization and accessibility. The journey of Clip, from a research breakthrough to a tool with real-world utility, is a tightrope walk between innovation and inclusivity. OpenAI, in its quest for rapid commercialization, has partnered with the likes of Microsoft, ensuring that Clip's capabilities are not just theoretical marvels but accessible technologies. However, this path raises questions about democratizing access to cutting-edge AI tools for smaller entities and independent researchers. The dialogue around accessibility versus commercial viability is a balancing act, one that shapes the trajectory of how such transformative technologies unfold in the wider world. Innovative applications. From the get-go, Clip has been a muse for innovation, inspiring a spectrum of applications that stretch the imagination. Picture an app that can generate a shopping list from a photo of your fridge's contents, or a search engine that finds products based on a descriptive sentence rather than a keyword search. These aren't just fanciful ideas, but real possibilities with Clip. Moreover, the development of more compact versions of Clip promises to embed these capabilities in our everyday devices, making AI's visual understanding as commonplace as snapping a photo with your smartphone. AI in the workplace. As AI continues to evolve, it's reshaping the workplace in ways that are both exciting and unnerving. The narrative is no longer about if AI will be integrated into work environments, but how it will redefine roles, tasks, and industries. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI's forte in automating tasks prone to human error, such as data entry, is a double-edged sword. On one side, it heralds unprecedented efficiency and accuracy, liberating humans from the monotony of repetitive tasks. On the flip side, it raises the specter of job displacement, fueling debates around the future of work. Yet, this shift isn't just about replacing humans, but reimagining how work is done, with AI taking on the role of a tireless, error-free assistant that complements human creativity and ingenuity. The future landscape. As we stand on the brink of this new digital dawn, the future landscape shaped by AI is one of transformation and adaptation and new opportunities. The evolution of AI, with all its disruptions, is not a harbinger of a jobless future, but a signal for the emergence of new roles, skills, and industries. It's an invitation to adapt, to learn alongside these digital counterparts, and to explore frontiers in creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. The future isn't about human versus AI, but about how human ingenuity can leverage AI to unlock new realms of possibility. Viewer engagement. As we navigate this brave new world, the dialogue around AI's role in our lives, workplaces, and societies is more crucial than ever. So, dear viewers, as we ponder over AI's expanding capabilities, I invite you to share your insights, apprehensions, and visions for this coevolution of humans and AI. How do you see AI shaping your world, your work, and your creativity? In this journey through the labyrinth of AI's impact, from the visual wonders of Clip to the workplace metamorphoses and the broader horizons of the future, we are not mere spectators but active participants. The narrative of AI is ours to write, in code, in words, and in the indelible marks we leave on the canvas of the future. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through the AI revolution, from the eye-opening vistas of Clip to the transforming tides of our workplaces, all the way to the brave new world that beckons. Remember, in this fast-evolving digital saga, staying informed is not just an option, it's a necessity. So, if you've enjoyed this deep dive into the digital future with a side of wit and wisdom, why not make it a regular affair? Hit that subscribe button and join us here at Virtual Reality James, where we don't just follow the future. We ride alongside it with a dash of humor and a whole lot of curiosity. Until next time, keep those digital dreams alive, and who knows, you might just be the next AI whisperer in this new era we're stepping into. Subscribe, stay savvy, and see you in the virtual realms.